Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to clip elevation drawing. Let's try it together. After entering the Design tool, click Drawings, Construction Drawings in the left sidebar. Then click Elevation Index in the Edit views. Select the Elevation Index marker. Click View Elevations in the floating window. Here are two ways to clip elevations. Method 1. You can choose to either open or close the view, clipping area in the bottom left corner. When view cropping is displayed, you can directly drag the cropping box to adjust the elevation view size. Method 2. You can also click Adjust Elevation region at the bottom, then manually drag the clipping frame to change its size. After completing, click View Elevations again to see the adjusted results. Finally, you can click the Back to Elevation Index button to return to the Elevation Index page. That's all. Thanks for watching.